Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. I got this in the mail just today. And I'm very excited because I have a great selection of power tools. And this is no exception. This is the, it's a brushless hammer drill made by DCK. Dick. 20 volt hammer drill, cordless. 531 inch-pounds of torque. Half-inch all-metal chuck. Variable speed. Gotta work on your name, fellas. They make memes out of these names. Dick. Anyway, very heavy. Let's check it out. I'll unbox it for us right now. I've never had a hammer drill before, so I'm pretty excited. These boxes are pretty ingenious. Let's see. Ooh. Comes with a nifty nylon carrying bag, which is very cool. Instructions. You know I never read instructions. I always think I'm smart enough to figure it out myself. Unless I can't. Wow, look at that. Isn't that cool? This is your belt clip, which I never put on because when you scratch your leg, whatever. Wow, look at this case. Rubber coated case with all the drill bits inside of it. It's fancy. Here's the charger. Slip the battery in like that. Here's the battery right here. 20 volt, 4.0 amps per hour, lithium ion. Has a gauge here to tell you the strength of the battery, and it looks like it's 2 bars out of 4, so it could use some charging. Also included are drill bits, all kinds. The gold ones are for metal, the silver ones are for masonry, and the black ones are for wood. And I need new drill bits. This is great. And here's the tool itself. It's a hammer drill. So if I'm not mistaken, a hammer drill has a little bit of, works kind of like an impact, right? So let's put the battery in now, even with only 2 bars. This is to tighten. This is to loosen, counterclockwise. And the chuck. Yeah, it does feel like it's like an impact. So it's on setting number 1, which is the least torque. Move it to 22, which is the most torque. Wow, I can't even hold it. So let's go down to 10. There we go. Wow, this is great. I've never had an impact drill before. I have lots of impact wrenches. Wow, that's great torque. 500 or so inch-pounds of torque. That's like double my impact tools. This is super strong. So that's to insert your drill bits. So let's try something here. Let's use a drill bit. Let me use a wood one. All right, let's try this out. Okay, guys, I've got a block of wood here. Let's just see how it does. Wow. Fast. Okay, now I've removed the drill bit, and now I'm going to place the screwdriver chuck in it. We'll put a Phillips bit in here, pull down, stick it in, and there you go. Now we have a screwdriver. Here is an 1.5 inch Phillips screw. Let's just try it real quick. Oops. You just hate when that happens. It's slipping a little because I have the different size one here, but seems to work just fine as long as you have the right bit. Very strong. So on my channel, I fix a lot of small engine equipment, and I have all kinds of drills. So we have your regular Milwaukee screwdriver type. You can put your adapters in to put those small socket bits in there, and it, you can take out, bolts and stuff, which is great, right? Even more power is the 1/4 inch impact wrench. Then I use this as my drill to drill holes and to insert wired bristle brushes. This is a great drill also. And then I have a 1/2 inch impact. Very strong. I also use this the most, which is my 3/8 DeWalt impact. I usually use sockets for this. So I have a lot of tools. But it seems like this item right here works as an impact and a drill, and I could basically do everything with this and not have to have all these, you know what I mean? Because it has the chuck to put in the bits for either your screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, flathead, torque, hex, all kinds of different bits that they make for it, right? In turn, there's an adapter over here that allows you to put the sockets on there too. So you can use this for socketing too. Because it also has the ability to insert drill bits in it, it works as a drill too. So drilling, screwdriver, impact wrench, hammer, you know what I mean? So this is all you need. Has a handy LED light so you can see where you're drilling. The torque settings over here, high and low. Wow, that torque is so strong that it'll hurt your hand. I wish I had another battery for this because I don't know how long this will last. 20 volts, that's pretty strong. So we'll charge this up, and this is a great tool. The Dick hammer drill. Since we have to charge this up, I'll just plug the charger into my charging area here. We'll remove this, and as you can see, it's green there. Place that on there, and it charges to red. When it stops flashing, that's when you know that this battery is completely full. So theoretically, all you need is this to replace all of these. That's great. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys are interested. This is the Dick hammer drill, 20 volt, 4 amps per hour, 531 inch-pounds of torque. That's incredible. Feels great, looks great, and I'm very happy. I'm gonna keep this for myself. Thanks a lot for joining me on this product review. We'll see you guys all next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Let's go, Jerry. Go!